YouTube, what is up? Okay, so what we are going to do in this tutorial is we are going to put the textual content and start formatting it. So let's see where we have been messing around until now in this website tutorial series. Okay, we have got our header section in there, we have got our what we call this banner section in here. So next thing we are going to be doing is put this textual content of our website in its place. So let's jump right into our Dreamweaver and see what we have to do. Okay, I absolutely love this feature of the Dreamweaver to collapse the whole tag. It gives much more readability to the code. So as you can see here, you've got this I've got this header wrap div which extends from here to this section where it says end of header wrap. So to make it more readable, to make this code more readable, I can just place my mouse cursor here and then go up here in the Dreamweaver to this icon which says collapse full tag. If I press it, it will collapse the whole header wrap tag and into this just little bit of element here. So I can now see my code in a more readable format. So this is my header wrap tag which ends here, basically the whole header section which is ending here. This is the content div which I created last time to wrap this whole of my content starting from this banner section down here just before the footer section. So everything inside of this will be going in this content div basically. So this is the banner div which I created last time. It ends here. So below this banner div we will be creating another div called div. I will give it an ID of text. I'll give it an ID of text which will be used to reference this div division in the styles.css file. So I call it div ID text and put myself a comment here which says end of text. Okay, so let's move it down a bit, and then inside of this text I'll be putting some paragraph tags. For one of the paragraph tag is this, another paragraph tag will be here. So I've got two paragraph tags, and inside of this paragraph tags I'll be putting the textual content for my website. So right now I'll just move on to Lorem Ipsum website. Lorem Ipsum is a website that gives you dummy text that is most widely used by web developers to fill in the empty spaces with the dummy text. So I'll copy one line of this from here to here and put it here in my first paragraph. Then for the second paragraph, let's select a whole paragraph for the second one and put it here in the second paragraph. And maybe I can go about creating another paragraph tag here and copy another paragraph from there, copy it and just paste it here. And if you refresh it right now, you will see your text will be unformatted. I don't know, it gives a default font family to this. Whatever, let's leave it. We have to give it our own font styling that we have been using. So this is the font family that we are using is Exo font family, which is inside of Google APIs. So it is very much important to understand why we use Google APIs most of the time, because anytime if you are using a custom font to style text and other elements on your website, Then if you give a link to this custom font family Exo from your own computer, it might not be present on another person's computer. So linking it through this Google APIs makes it sure that everyone who is looking at your website gets the correct styling. So that is why you will be using this font family from here. So at the moment we have not put any styles here, so I'll call this ID, which is text ID. It is inside of content, and then I've got another ID of text. Okay, let's copy this whole thing. Text, inside of text we have got paragraph elements. We'll copy it there like that, and then we'll give some stylings to it. So our font family is font family of Exo sans serif, and let's make it font size of 16 pixel as well, and give it a font weight of normal. And no, we will not give text transform to it, so that is all we need to give it. And maybe we can give it a font color which will be black by default, so not necessary to give here font color if you want to give it a black color. So let's check out in the browser. There you go, the styling of these text has changed. But why is the styling of this not changed? Let's see what happens to this. Is it not inside? Okay, this paragraph got placed outside of this text element, this text div which is ending here. So we need to make sure that it is inside of this text div. So I copy it here so that it has the same style. There you go, it has got the same styling. And now let's try to format it a little bit more, and maybe we'll give line height of normal, which doesn't make any changes to it. Maybe let's try to reduce font size a bit to make it more readable. No, it's not making it any much better. I'll give it font size of 14 pixel, and I'll give a line height. Line height basically refers to spacing between the two lines in our paragraph. So if I give line height of 14 pixel, that will shrink it down, make it more closer, make these two lines come closer. So on increasing it, you see the spacing between the two lines in a paragraph starts to increase. So this line height of 20 pixel looks good to me, and so I'll copy this style, line height of 20 pixel, and paste it in style.css line number 65. CSS line number 65. There you go. Let's refresh, and we have our text here, textual content here. Maybe we can reduce this third paragraph a little bit, as it looks too much messy here. I'm not willing to make it so much messy, so let's make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so this is how you can format the text on your website. And in the next tutorial I'm going to move ahead and get these 3 small boxes up there on our website. So happy coding.